Still switching platforms to buy and use different virtual numbers? Local here, toll-free there. OTP number somewhere else? What if you could buy any type of virtual phone number? VoIP, special non-VoIP, local, mobile, toll-free, and use them immediately inside the same VoIP app. Yes, you can in KrispCall, the AI-powered modern phone app. And when all your numbers live inside one app, your phone stops being just a calling device. It becomes a control center. Now imagine this. You buy a local UK number for sales, a toll-free US number for support, a mobile number for WhatsApp and SMS campaigns, a special non-VoIP US number just for OTP verifications. And instead of juggling platforms, you can keep on adding more numbers as needed while managing everything inside KrispCall. One workspace, multiple numbers, different purposes, zero chaos. But here's where things get more powerful. Every number you buy in the KrispCall marketplace instantly unlocks with full VoIP features. Let's say you've expanded to the US market and have bought a US local number. Now, within minutes, you can assign it to your team. Add a call menu, set its IVR. Route incoming calls as needed. Record calls with AI transcription and summaries of each conversation. And even track call performance, all from the same app. Even expand to more markets in 100+ countries within KrispCall. It means you don't just own numbers now, you activate a fully functional business telephony setup on the go. Here's something even more practical. Need a number just for verification? Grab a special US non-VoIP number. Use it for OTP-based services. Keep your primary business numbers clean and protected. That's control. Making your numbers organized inside a single AI-powered phone app and bringing measurable sales, structured support, scalable marketing, and instant expansion right at one desk. Your phone becomes multi-purpose, not just for calling, but for managing your entire business operations. Here's how you can buy unlimited virtual phone numbers in KrispCall. Sign into your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, click on VoIP numbers, then on Add New Number to open KrispCall's marketplace for virtual phone numbers. Here, select a country you want to purchase a number from. Check on the abilities and types of phone numbers you need. Use advanced filters if you need special digits on your numbers. Next, click on Update Numbers. Click on Add to Cart for the numbers you need. Name the numbers and simply confirm purchase in the cart. Once activated, your numbers will be ready to use inside KrispCall. And that's it. Unlimited virtual phone numbers, multiple types, instant activation, one powerful app. It's not just buying and using numbers anymore. It's you building your phone system as you need it, simply. Visit KrispCall.com and book a free demo today.